Okay, these are quick and easy. I'm going to first draw a slope man, so you can just have your quick memory device for what it is. That's plus, that's minus, that is undefined, and that is 0. So this one has a 0 slope, and this one, straight up and down, like the nose, the little U under it, is undefined. That's a memory trick, but what you can also do is you can take any 2 points, and you could find the slope by doing y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And in that particular case, you would get 0 divided by 5, which is just 0. That's the slope of 0. For something like this point here and that point there, I'm sorry, those aren't on the line. I don't know what I'm thinking. This point here and this point here, you would get a change of 9 over an x change of 0 because the x coordinate doesn't change. It's 1 on both of those points. And you can't divide by 0. In mathematics, division by 0 is undefined, so we have an undefined slope for number